If we look at the structure, this is the reason why I'm so bullish, because we had one sale candle and then we commenced to buy the market up. I think in the last 2 months we're up over 30% on the Nasdaq. That's crazy, right? 30.45%, and the month of May isn't even over yet, right? Before it's all said and done, we're probably in the month back above this level here, and we'll get down to some of my levels as we break down the further time frames. Let's go down to the weekly time frame and we can just zoom out, which is ironic that this credit downgrade also lines up with the low of the market, right? Which is kind of crazy, right? Like we ended up tapping into this range, put in the low of the market, and then rally. And once we got above these highs, like I told you guys, if we turn on the weekly 200 EMA, number one, once we got above these highs and once we tapped into the 200 EMA on the weekly, I've said this in numerous videos, this is very rare. So when it happens, the market usually buys it up and buys it up aggressively. And once we tapped into the 200 EMA and then we broke the highs, once we broke this high, this downtrend is over, right? It's OVA, right? There is no more downtrend. We are officially in a very aggressive uptrend, and you can look for the market to keep pushing up and then eventually come back and retest this area right here, right? We gapped above it, essentially creating somewhat of a bullish breaker out of this area, right? So you anticipate the market coming back down and retesting all of this. But in order for this to be 50%, we're probably going to run these highs, right? So everybody that's super bearish on the Moody stuff, I mean, it's bearish, but I mean, when you look at it,